So very good morning to all. So this is Shasna Kuldev, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So today we will be discussing about the construction working and principle of the jaw crusher, which is a very important unit of operations which comes under your subject of mechanical operation. So jaw crusher is a machine designed to reduce the large rocks into smaller rocks, gravel or rock dust, which is also called toggle crusher. It may be used to reduce the size or change the form of waste materials so that can be more easily disposed or recycled to reduce the size of a solid mix of raw materials. So these are low speed machines for coarse reduction of large particles. The approximately size of reduced material from a crusher this ranges from 150 mm to 250 mm. So this is the diagram of a jaw crusher where we'll be having one crushing chamber which is useful for the product and feed and a flywheel and a moving jaw and adjusting. So construction consists of a vertical law and inclined jaw, belt wheel, electrical motor, bearing, accumulator, oil hydraulic cylinder, movable and fixed frame, adjusting seat. The work of the crushing chamber is to for volume or cavity between the two jaws and the movement of the swing jaw can be quite small. The inertia required to crush the material is provided by a weighted flywheel that moves a shaft creating an eccentric motion that causes the closing of the gap. And the working principle, a crusher uses compressive force for breaking of particles. This mechanical pressure is achieved by the two jaws, so one jaw will be kept stationary and another one will be on weaving. So this jaw crusher moves the rotor as its power. So through the motor wheels, the eccentric shaft driven by the triangle belt and slot wheel to make the movable jaw plate move. Therefore, the materials in the crushing cavity can be crushed and discharged through the discharging openings. So we'll be having a various types of jaw crusher where we can see the Dodge crusher and blade crusher, and under your blade crusher we'll be having single toggle and double cowl, and third one will be your universal crusher. So Dodge crusher nothing but the same is like of a jaw crusher which is fixed at a lower position. The discharge opening is fixed, giving a more uniform product. So in the Dodge type jaw crusher, the jaws are further apart at the top than at the bottom. It becomes progressively smaller as it travels downwards until it is small enough to escape from the bottom opening. The Dodge jaw crusher has a variable feed area and a fixed discharge area which leads to choking of the crusher. And the crusher, the swing jaw is fixed at the upper position where the greatest amount of the motion is at the bottom. So it is divided into two types, single toggle and double toggle. And the advantages of jaw crusher, very simple in construction, stable performance, high crushing ratio, low operation cost and high capacity and adjustable discharge point. So thank you. So this is a very simple construction and working principle of the jaw crusher. Thank you.